Yeah, welcome back. This is still Gozi Accounting Academy. You recall that we are still on costing methods. And in this lecture, we're going to focus on contract costing. Contract costing. When we talk about contract costing, we want to relate it to job costing. We say this because it has many similarities. Because separate jobs can be, or separate contracts can be identified. But the one difference between job costing and contract costing is that contracts are usually for a longer period of time than jobs. So there are some characteristics that characterize contracts for which we use a contract costing method. One is that they are undertaken to customer special requirements. Two is that they are relatively long in duration. Three is that they are site-based, sometimes overseas. And the four is that they are frequently of a constructional nature. So all of us are familiar with road contracts that are given to construction companies like Julius Berger. We are familiar with even building contracts. So this contract costing is applied in the case of these. Because it's site-based, you can always identify whatever cost you have put in that particular site, in that particular contract. So because of the time frame of many contracts, there is also need for, from time to time, to evaluate how much profit to take, to evaluate how much work has been done. In fact, sometimes there is what is called progress payments that are made in connection with a contract. So because of this, we always use contract costing and open a contract account for each of the contracts going on in an organization at any point in time. And for each contract, whatever cost is incurred in that contract is debited or charged to that contract account. And whatever revenue that comes in form of progress payments are also credited. And from there, we can assess, like if the job is still ongoing at the end of the financial year, we can assess a fair portion of the profit to be taken to the company's profit or loss statement. And we can also assess work in progress from that contract account. So this is about contract costing. So bye for now. Remember to like our videos and to follow us. It's still Gozi Accounting Academy. Thank you.